There are a lot of different factors to consider when choosing the best lubricant for steering column. One of the most important factors is the type of lubricant. There are three main types of lubricants: hydraulic fluids, gear oils, and grease. Each type of lubricant has its own advantages and disadvantages. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect steering column for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Dorman 905-512 steering shaft bearing. When your vehicle's steering shaft bearing begins to wear out, it can cause a variety of issues like steering wheel shimmy, noise, and vibration. A bad bearing can also lead to a loss of control and accidents. This replacement bearing is designed to match the fit and function of the original on specified vehicles. It is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. This part is also backed by a team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. To ensure fit, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Lubricant Silicone lubricant. This lube is enhanced with vitamin E, great for the skin, and has a wonderful texture, says Queen. The formula is designed to provide you with pleasure and good sensation while reducing friction. You can even use it as a massage oil. For trips across town or across the sea, you can get a special travel set, adds Queen. At number 3 on our list, we have the wet Platinum Silicone-based sex lube. Damn near perfect lube, wrote one satisfied Amazon customer. My wife loves it because it's long-lasting without being sticky or making stains. It also has a paraben-free, clear, odorless, latex-safe formula that won't break down in the water. At number 4 on our list, we have the Gun Oil Silicone lubricant. Despite the aggressive machismo packaging, unless you're into that, this is a really great silicone lube option, says Finn. It's got vitamin E and aloe vera as added ingredients to help soothe the skin with use, which is handy if you're going to be at it a little. At number 5 on our list, we have this Liquid Silver Silicone 8.5 ounces. This lube is body safe, 100% waterproof, as are all silicone lubricants, and scent-free, says Queen. The formula is also vegan-friendly and free of parabens, glycerin, and sulfates, making it an ideal pick for those with sensitive skin, according to the brand. At number 6 on our list, we have the Swiss Navy Premium Silicone-based personal lubricant. Designed specifically for anal play with some added thickness and the use of clove leaf oil to soothe the skin, this lube relaxes without numbing and reduces the discomfort that can be associated with anal play, explains Finn. At number 7 on our list, we have the Pure Original Silicone-based lubricant premium intimate sex lube for men. This is a super high-quality silicone lube that keeps it super basic. No added ingredients, no scent, no flavor, just good lube, says Finn. The best part? The brand also notes that it won't leave behind any sticky or tacky feeling. At number 8 on our list, we have the Astroglide X silicone-based sex lube. I'd recommend using a high-quality product that's paraben-free, gentle on skin, and pH neutral, says Dr. Roskin. And that's exactly what you'll find in this lubricant's clean formula. It's made with a unique blend of high-quality ingredients, like premium silicone liquid, that gives off a silky smooth texture and helps keep things going for a longer time. At number 9 on our list, we have the ID Millennium 8.5 Florida Oz silicone-based personal lubricant. With a 4.7-star rating and over 2,200 rave reviews, it's safe to say that Amazon customers are having lots of fun with this lube. Crafted using a high-quality silicone ingredient, this lube provides a nice amount of slip that is long-lasting and fun to work with. The brand also claims it doesn't leave behind any sticky residue. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the WD-40 Specialist Water-Resistant Silicone Lubricant. This pick is guaranteed to give you long-lasting results thanks to its smooth and slippery texture. It also helps cut down on friction during sex to help ramp up the pleasure. This has a good price point and is silky and long-lasting, says Queen. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.